In this video, I will show you how to permanently remove an app and its data from an iPhone. So let's get started. On your iPhone, first locate the app that you wish to delete. Let's say we want to delete the Pinterest app. Now long press on the Pinterest app icon, and from the menu that pops up, tap Remove App. You will get a confirmation prompt. Just tap Delete App and the app will be deleted from your iPhone. The other way to delete the app is open the Settings app, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Here you will find all the apps installed on your iPhone. Tap Show All. Now find the app that you wish to delete. Simply slide to the left and tap Delete. Here as well, you will get a confirmation prompt. Just tap Delete and the app will be deleted from your iPhone. Now, even if you delete an app from your iPhone, its data remains on iCloud storage. To delete app data, go to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup. Select the device. This will display all the apps that are being backed up. Find the app and turn off the toggle switch next to the app whose data you wish to remove. Once you do that, the app data will be deleted from iCloud, and this will free up space in iCloud. So that is how you can remove an app and its data from an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.